Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you how you can change your profile picture in BeReal app. You can see the app BeReal, click on the app, and after that you will see the home page of BeReal. So now click on the option top right corner, click on this and click here edit my profile. Then you will get a editable option here. So what will you do now? Click here to your icon, this one, click on this. Then you will see that pop-up menu like three options. Take a picture, pick from my gallery, and use today's BeReal. So if you click take a picture, that means your current view will be captured. And pick from a gallery, it means you can choose any picture from your memory, from your file manager. And use today's BeReal. If you click use today's BeReal, then what you posted in BeReal app today, that picture will be appeared in your profile picture. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and please consider to subscribe my channel and thumbs up the like button, and thank you for watching this tutorial.